Wow.
All right, welcome back, everybody. We're still here, but we have some awesome company. We have some young ladies from one of the best, the best all-girls school in the island. In case you don't know, they're from Immaculate. Okay.
You remember the other day when I tweeted?
Yes.
And I didn't realize.
I had to jump up and defend my Immaculate girls. Most little girls at age 15 dream of getting a new makeup set or maybe taking a trip to Disney. Well, not me, but anyway, for Amelia Hewlett, a student from Immaculate Conception High School, her dream is to start her own charity program to assist City of Refuge. Accompanying her this morning are her friends Janelle Singh and Leclerc. I'm going to spell it for them just because it gives so much trouble. Her name is pronounced Ashante, but it's spelled Aseantae. You know things that she can teach her problem?
When I want to see me in here, I try to spell her name earlier.
It took half hour.
No, that's not how you spell it.
Welcome, ladies.
Hi.
Wonderful. So tell me, let us start right at the top. My darling, why do you feel moved to do something like this?
Well, you know that most people normally say, what if I was rich? So me, I always thought about the privilege that I had. So I always thought about what if I didn't have. And then I came to a realization that there's a lot of children out there that have my what if not.
Wow. So your charity program, Amelia, that you want to start, who are you directing the proceeds towards?
Mostly children, because at the end of the day, they're the future.
And how your parents feel about it?
My mom is very proud.
That's
Do
fantastic.
you feel afraid, like scared,
Scared of.
doing this? Because a lot of people, they ask for help and then they don't get the help and then like, all right, can't bother this no more.
I wouldn't say scared, but based on the results from City of Refuge, which is an orphanage, it gave me a positive feedback.
So you started out by just helping out City of Refuge?
Yeah,
and
it
then,
was actually a class project that my RE teacher gave us, and then that was a platform that kind of encouraged me to continue
Fantastic.
with
What
this
form
dream.
are you in now?
Fourth form.
Fantastic. Janelle, how she dig you up and get you involved in all of this now?
So as Amina said, because of the RE project and because my eyes weren't really focused on what was out there in society, but because of the RE project, when I was at City of Refuge, it opened my eyes to see the little children and to see what they're going through. So basically of all that has happened, Amelia was there to help me to recognize what is going on and those stuff.
And there's a picture of Ashante.
Yes, you have to talk to Ashanti with a special name.
How was that for you? How's that been going?
It was, like they said, very eye-opening. Like, I think everybody should, go out and try and help everybody around them, whether they have it, like they said, or they don't. Like, it's easy to do. It's not something hard. Like, being kind is very easy. Is it easy, like, helping somebody that wants a helping hand is very easy. You don't have to, like, be rich. Like, some people think anything can help. I think it will put a smile on anybody's face,
Okay.
just being kind.
So what exactly is it that you are trying to do, Amelia? How do people help you to help others?
Opportunities, opening opportunities, so like donations. For the City of Refuge project, I actually got donations from Jamaican Biscuit Company and Lasco. They provided them with snacks and juice to help keep a little Christmas treat.
Very nice, very nice.
But ladies, I want to ask, how else will you be making a change this Christmas to help someone?
Apart from visiting the home,
Yeah.
etc. Right now, since it's just starting out, we're not sure as yet, but we're planning to do something for the Easter.
Fantastic. Well, we have a little game that we want to play with you. You say you want to make some money, so we're giving you the opportunity to make money. So each of these fake $1,000 represents a real $1,000 that
fake.
you will get if you can answer our questions correctly. For each correct answer, you get $1,000. Yeah? For every question that you get right over 3 questions, you'll get double the amount of money. So, this is the opportunity to win some money from Smile Jamaica. Yeah, that's why we tell them, if them win 6, 7, I get $12,000, you double the money. Yeah. Okay, we're ready. So, We've said it like 6 times from morning, literally. Your first question is, what is
Buju Banton's right name?
Yeah, forget the first one right too. They give you an opportunity. It start with M. The first one start with M.
Mary.
Yes, something Mary.
Mary.
What Mary? Think about the Bible. I'm giving you opportunities. Start with M. Show me why you get the money.
Boy, immaculate.
Come on, girl.
Come on,
It's
immaculate.
short.
Micah. What? Mark.
Thank you. What?
Bing, bing, bing.
Mark.
Jesus, we're not going to fight to answer the next time. God no. Okay, hold on to that. That's one. Next up.
Question number 2. Name 2 segments on Smile Jamaica.
Hot topics. Hot topics.
One more. Them their school. Oh God, they know.
Hot topics.
And? Jesus,
Can I like explain it?
No.
Yes, explain it.
The musical segment that you guys have.
Oh, where the people come in and see?
Yes.
Wait, name. Yes. Say it. Yes.
Roll.
Roll what?
Oh,
Yes. Merciful Redeemer. Here.
thanks.
Roll what?
I mean, that's a rule.
Roll. Okay, hurry up, cause we gotta go.
Name all the hosts
Oh,
on
wow.
Smile Jamaica.
That's easy. And enough away. Just say it out, man. We'll count it for you.
Never will.
1,
Sakina.
2.
Ah. Ah.
Jesus. Okay, okay, that's 3.
Just one more. We get a prize.
Guys, we're going to finish this one. We'll come back in the book. We're going to go for lotto. Is lotto time? Oh, guys. All right, don't go. We're going to finish it. Guys, them have to make some money this morning. Students of the Immaculate Conception High School, Amelia Hewlett, Janelle Singh, and Ashante Woodhouse. Give them a helping hand if you can. On the other side of the break,
Recycling, yeah. I'm still asleep from the Cardi B thing, you know.
recycling.